I'm going to start with my most favorite recipe, which is the oatmeal and banana pancakes. Here you go, 2 spoons of steel cut oats. So you take your banana, 1 full banana, then some coconut milk. Consistency that you need to achieve for your nice thick oats and banana pancakes. As your idli batter, you can use ghee. I love ghee. Slow heat, and if you want you can actually sprinkle some brown sugar on top for that caramelized sugar taste, but if you're health conscious or diabetic, reduce it as much as possible because it still tastes really yum. The sweetness comes from the bananas. So just drizzle some honey over it, and then if you really want you can add some more banana. So here you go, this is the banana and steel cut oat pancakes, and it's a great way to start your day.